Hello everybody. Can anybody guess what I've got in this box? I'll probably put it in the title, so that's a bit a mute question. Anyway, got a lovely delivery from Amazon today with these 2 sets of Beetles. Now I haven't ordered any Beetles for a while. I've been concentrating on other things. You'd think by now I would know an easy way to open these boxes, without hurting myself. Oh, look at that, isn't that a beautiful sight to see? Oh. Right, so let me get these out and I'll be right back. Okay, let's start with this one. As usual, I am not going to go by anything that's written on the box, because it's all lies. Lies, I tell you. Ooh. Oh, this is the bougie one, I think. Right, let's get these out. 844, 845, 846, 847, 848 and 849. Okay, chuck that in there. Now I have got some pop stick thingies ready, so let's get writing numbers up on these if I can get the lid of my pen. So we have 844, 845 and 846. Sorry about the sniffles. 847, 848, oops, and 849. Okay, well I'm swatching these. I'm only going to do one coat on camera, and then I'll do the rest of the other coat off camera, and I'll come back at the end after they've all been top coated. And I'll do that with both sets, and then I won't come back till they've both been top coated. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you putting one coat each set on, but I'll do the second coat of each set off camera, and then I'll come back at the end with both sets fully finished with a top coat to show you. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so we're going to start with, oh, I better shift that or I'll get cured. 844, right, let's have a wee look at this. That is bright. 844, here we go. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yes, I very much like these. I don't know if they are bougie or not. I'll double check, obviously. I'll leave the sets on the screen for what ones it is I've actually got. Maybe it's not bougie, I can't remember. Wow. That is neon. 845. What a lovely shady orange that is. It's like a tropical orange rather than like a jungle orange. Does that make sense? It does in my head. And 846. Of course I will clean up the sticks before I cure them, like I usually do. Wow. Yep, that is a nice colour. Even though I'm not usually a pink kind of Barbie pink girl, I do like that. Right, so let's give this a wee. 847. This looks like a gorgeous colour. Yep. That's nice. It's not as opaque as the first three, I don't think. Or maybe I've just got less on the brush. I don't know. But I just did exactly the same as what I usually do. I'll wipe one side when I take it out. But it's pretty. Really pretty. And 848. Oh, that's nice. I've already got an idea what I want to do with that. Maybe I'll have to put it on hold for a wee while, but I do have an idea. I actually have bare nails on my left hand, so I might just use one of these to decorate my fingers with. I haven't got around to taking this off because I need to file it off. And it's sheer laziness. And I know I've had it on for over a week now. But I've been poorly, I've slept a lot. And then when I got back to feeling better, I had to go out and go shopping. Go and do a few bits and bobs. So my own nails haven't really been a priority. I've been trying to get things filmed and edited to make sure that if I go into another sleep phase, I'm going to have things scheduled for you lovely lot, because I hate missing videos. I hate it. Okay, so we're going to put them away and I'm going to go off camera and do the other coat. And moving on to the next box. Again, doesn't say anything on the, what do you call it? And this is a white set, so we have to guess the colours. I don't tend to put the coloured stickers on the top of my bottles. I prefer the numbers, so it doesn't bother me if they're white or not. If I really wanted to know the colours, I would stick the colour tabs on, but it doesn't bother me because I swatch them all and keep them next to my desk. Anyway, okay, let's take that one out the lamp because you're not getting to see that yet. Okay, let's loosen all these balls. Now I'll say that first lot, the formula is a bit thicker than the normal gels, which on the swatch stick is fine. It's not going to cause any problems, but if you put that on a nail, by the time you get a base coat on, your 2 layers of the polish, a top coat, and then if you're putting in a nail art over the top of that and then another top coat, that could get quite thick. But as I say, I haven't tried that out yet. I've not tried it on nails, so I don't know, but on the swatch sticks, they're fine. But we'll see how they look once they're top coated. We'll have a wee side view. I don't have a drink. Sorry if you can hear Bale's nails tapping on the floor. He's decided to leave us. Okay, let's get our swatch sticks ready. And we're going from 719 to 724. 719 720. I'm so excited because I've got my nail polish racks and everything, my extra desk and drawers, and I'm so excited. And it sounds like I just want John to hurry up and move out, and I do, but I don't at the same time. But yeah, I can't wait to get into that room and get everything properly organised and give you a nail room tour. Because it has been requested over and over, and I'm sorry, but this room just does not merit a room tour. Not at all. So once I'm in and properly settled in the big room and we're all organised, that tour will be coming. If you still want it, of course. Okay, so let's get surprised with what colours we've got. 719. Ooh. It's a beautiful baby sky blue. Virgin on lilac. I don't think it is quite lilac, but it's not a kick in the arse off it. Nice thin coat, and it seems to cover okay. Seems to. Ooh, this one's a coral. I like this one. 720, I'm on the right stick, yeah. Wouldn't believe me to be mucking up the sticks and swapping them over. Oops, I missed the edge. I've been editing all morning, and because I hurt my hip yesterday, I've been laying in bed quite the thing, watching films and editing in between, and it's been wonderful. Jonathan has been doing some paint for me downstairs, and it's now away fishing, so it's just me and the fur babies. I've had food, I've got my coffee, I've got nail swatches. What more can you ask for on a Friday night? Pink. No, you didn't ask for pink on a Friday night, but that is a pink. It kind of matches the glittery one, so maybe a coat of this and a coat of the glittery one would be nice. But they're the same lovely Beetles formula. They're covering. Oh, what is going on there? Does anybody else get this? Even if it's on the nail, it's like the polish disappears for certain spots. It's like the nails sucking it up. Right, 722. Oh, it's a yellow. And I think it's a really nice butter yellow. No, but yeah. It's like a bumblebee yellow rather than a mustard or a bright yellow. I think it's, yeah, it's a bumblebee yellow. That's what I'm going to call it. Tell me what you think it should be called. Because it's definitely a certain kind of yellow, I just can't think at the moment. And butter came into my head first, but that's not what I'm thinking of. Oh, we have got a lilac. And it's beautiful. This could be a crossover actually. I think I've maybe already got this one. Or maybe I've got similar in a different brand, I don't know. I've got so many now. I can't remember what I've got and what I've not, and I have to look up my swatch sticks to see what's there because I can no longer remember what I have. And that's not a bad thing because I've been blessed enough to be able to build up my collection. And I know you'll all understand that because when you first start out and you have nothing, it's total shit because you feel like you can't join in the collabs. You feel like yours isn't going to be good enough because everybody else has got better stuff. And I feel totally blessed that I've been able to build a decent collection and I'm able to do giveaways and help out people if I can. I feel totally blessed about this. I really do. I'm not sure about that yellow. It's looking a bit streaky. Let me see if I can sort it out a wee bit. I'll be fine with the second coat, I'm sure of it. But I'm thinking these colours are... Did I do it on purpose? Because they look like they're kind of... Apart from this baby blue, it looks like they're kind of matching in sets, if you know what I mean. Oh well, I'll get the other coats done, I'll get the top coats done and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back and we're top coated and I think they are absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. This one isn't as opaque as the other ones, but I've still only put 2 coats on, so you can see it does cover enough, but I can see it off camera. I don't know if you will. But there is a couple of patches it could be doing with going over again. And it's the same with this yellow one. Now, you could get away with 2 coats, especially if you were going to put some nail art on top. But I can see off camera here that it's still a bit streaky. So I would put another thin coat on this if I was going to leave it as is. And these ones are just as beautiful. This has been my favourite of the day, I think. I love this coral shade. As you can see, I'm into that kind of shade at the moment. So, which ones do you prefer? Do you have a favourite for each set? Or do you prefer one set to the other? Would you like to buy any of these? Please let me know down below if you have them, if you've used them, what do you think of them? And thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!